Hey y'all, I'm Jess, and I bought my first lifted truck in January of 25. I was in the market for a new vehicle, didn't really know which direction I wanted to go in, and I finally found liftedtrucks.com, and it answered all my prayers. It was everything that I ever wanted and then some. I bought completely sight unseen, and that's a very nerve-wracking experience. The last time I had done that, I ended up with a lemon, and it was a very expensive mistake to unravel. I'm so grateful for the communication with the sales staff, the lift shop, everyone at liftedtrucks.com did a fantastic job, made me feel super comfortable, and I'm so grateful for my lifted truck. I'm a busy mom, so shuttling the kids to and from sports and school, it's really nice to have a lifted truck to get us through all of our adventures. I bought sight unseen, out of state, and I couldn't recommend liftedtrucks.com enough. I trust them with all of my vehicle purchases from here on out.